In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Dialpad on GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll be able to place calls right from your browser and have them automatically logged in your account, which is great for tracking conversations and staying organized. Start by signing in and heading to your GoHighLevel dashboard. Give the page a second to fully load so all the top navigation items appear. Up in the top right corner, look for the phone-shaped dial icon. Click it to open the dial pad. If you're using a headset, make sure it's connected first. A quick tip, using a wired or high-quality Bluetooth headset and a stable internet connection will give you much clearer audio. When the dial pad opens, your browser may ask for microphone permission. Click Allow. Without mic access, you won't be heard on calls. If you don't see the prompt, check your browser's site settings and enable the microphone for this page. Inside the dial pad, you'll see an option to add a calling number. You can either buy a new number or use an existing one you already own. If you choose to buy a phone number, you'll be guided through selecting one for your account. Pick an area code that makes sense for your audience and confirm the purchase. This assigns a dedicated number for your outbound calls, which keeps everything centralized inside GoHighLevel. If you'd rather use your existing phone number, select that option. You'll be taken to the phone system settings where you can manage your numbers. In the field provided, type in the number you want to use as your caller ID. Double check that you've entered it correctly, including the full country and area code where applicable. Accuracy here ensures your calls display properly to recipients. Next, click the Call Me to Verify button. You'll receive an automated call at the number you entered. Answer it, and follow the prompt to confirm ownership. This quick verification step helps prevent spoofing and ensures the system can safely use your number. Once verification is complete, return to the dial pad and confirm that the correct caller ID is selected. From here, you're ready to dial. Make sure your mic levels look active in the dialer, speak clearly, and remember that closing bandwidth-heavy apps can improve call quality. If you ever need to switch numbers, repeat the same process in the phone system settings. That's all there is to it. Simple, secure, and fully integrated into your workflow.